Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Bibot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy Bex. We love you. Happy birthday, Ate Bex. Happy 16th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie Bex. Mama Bibot. Happy birthday, Mama Bibot. Happy birthday, Mama Bibot.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday. Pusda. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot.
Happy birthday, Mama Bibot.
Oh, I love you.
I love you.
Amping.
Humpy.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Bibot. Happy birthday, Mommy Bibot.
Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nick.
Hey, Mommy. I love you. Mama Bibot, we love you.
Hi, Mommy Babs! Happy 60th birthday! I hope and I pray that God will grant you more years filled with love, laughter, and laag. 60th na ba, Jude, Mommy Babs? Kaya mga 40s pa manggod ka. Maybe it's because of your happy countenance and generous heart that keeps you young. Mommy Babs, thank you very much for your love and support to our family. May God bless you always. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, me. Thank you so much sa mga padala ninyong mga ayuda and wishing you a good health and strength and may God bless you always.
Happy birthday, my favorite. Love you. Happy birthday, mami.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Babs. Love you. Miss you.
happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. Gcash mo na yan.
Happy birthday, Mommy Bex! Ang second mother sa family. Unsa pa man ako ma-wish sa imo na naman sa imo tanan na nakay mga pretty na mga pagumangkon. Char. Continue to slay. Pretty mother always. And wish you all the best in life. We love you so much, Mommy Bex. See you soon. And magsugba-sugba na punta pag-uli. I love you.
Hi, Lola Bex. Happy birthday sa imo. I hope and pray nga happy ka karon, no? Especially sa imo nga special day. Kag
tani nag-enjoy ka sa imong i-enjoy ni imong birthday kag especially karon nga may ara ka na sang apo no kabalo ko nga ga kalipay gid ka nga karon nga panahon.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Bibot! Wishing you all the best in life, Auntie.
We love you and we miss you.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight.
Happy birthday, Ate Bibot! I love you!
Hi, Auntie Bebot! Happy 60th birthday! Hindi na ako maglarlar sa damo kay maybe ko. You know how much we love you. We are only here for you. Mama! Chup chup!
Happy birthday, Mami Bebot! Happy birthday, Auntie Bibot! I hope nga ang imuhang 60th birthday maging memorable one o full of enjoyment, happiness, and a fruitful life. O matod pa as what our psalmist says in Psalms 20 verse 4, may the Lord will give you the desires of your heart. O nasa diin ang imuman nga mga plano mamatuman man sumala man sa iyahang kabubuton. I hope nga ma-enjoy nimo ang katuigan nga gihatag sa Ginoo upod sa imo man nga apo. Happy birthday! God bless!
Hello, Auntie! Happy 60th birthday! Such a significant age kay dual citizen ka na. So, I wish you more happiness and I hope that bisan ano nga circumstances ang ima atubangon, you'd always think about God's love to you and to your family. I am always thankful because you have always been there for us. Do hindi ko maghibi tani. Pero I'm really happy that you have reached this far. You have reached this wonderful part of your life. So, officially, dual citizen ka na. I hope you will experience more happiness, especially you have your baby Doy Doy. And I hope nga God will grant you good health, strength, and more happiness, Auntie. I love you.
Hello, Bot. Happy birthday. Welcome to the senior club. Tibsan anhon mo. Kung nagita ka ng sister na ta sa club. Bot, be happy. Enjoy your apo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Bot! Happy birthday! Enjoy your 60th birthday! Senior ka na gid. May kay apo ka pa ka senior nimo. Swerte kay nimot apuha kay pag senior na nagawas. Charles ka pirmiha para di ka malubot sa pagbantay sa imong apo. Be strong and healthy. I love you, Sisi. God bless. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Birthday, dear sister. I love you. May your special day be as beautiful as you are. You deserve all the happiness and love in the world. May God will bless you even more. Grant you good health and many, many more birthdays to come. Again, I love you. Happy birthday. Welcome to our club, Senior Citizens Club.
Bot, happy birthday. Kabay pa, tagaan ka pa sa Ginoo, sing maayong panglawas, kag malawig na kinabuhi, na ma-enjoy mo pa ang pagbantay sa imo apo. Kag imo mga apo kung siniko may ara naman. Kag saksihan mo pa ang ila pagdako kag kabay pa nga ang Ginoo ara sa inyo nga sa tunga ninyo sa imong panimalay kag ang lugma kag happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Librada Rebecca Robles. Ang akon pinalangga maldita nga manghod. Hindi gali maldita. Ang buutan nga manghod nga love pa pinalanggaon sa ating.